How to create a countdown for events on Wix. In order to do that, head over right here to the apps catalog on the Alp side, and then just click on this countdown timer. So once you click on that, it should be able to be installed by just setting up and then choosing a template of your liking. So just choosing here. So I'll just get this template right here and click on this continue with this template. Now for this one, you can change up the type as well as remaining period, the set time, and you can also install it wherever you want. You can also change up the message before this timer. So for example, if you change up in here this, you can see it will reflect instantly onto this banner. Now for this one, you can just click on this publish once you're done editing everything. And then once it's been published, you can close it right here. And then we have in here this countdown timer. Now the next thing you need to do is just click on this install option. Click on this copy code. Just go over right here to your Wix and click on this plus icon. Now from there, you can just go to embed code, and then for this one, you can click on this embed HTML and then just add it right here onto your screen or wherever you want it added. Now in here, you can just enter the code that we have copied earlier and then just paste it right here. After that, click on update, and then it should be able to update in just a few seconds. So that's how you create the countdown for events on Wix. Hope we helped.